Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Got your 6 covers all types of topics, sharing any tips or thoughts that can make your life a little better. I'd like to invite you to visit my apparel store, ISW Apparel, for the latest in patriotic and veteran activewear. Just Google Etsy CG ISW Apparel. Please like and subscribe if you find the information helpful or even entertaining. So today we'll be doing a small do-it-yourself project. We will be installing privacy window film on a single glass pane door. Actually, I'll be installing it on the bedroom door and a bathroom door. So with the razor blade, you're going to want to clean the glass of any adhesive or paint so it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to use Windex to clean the window with the lint-free cloth. You will then apply the GILA window film application solution to the glass so the film will cling to the glass. You want to use a generous amount. For the window on the bedroom door, I used the GILA frosted and waterfall window film. I actually did both sides of the window. On the bathroom window door, I used Artscape etched glass, and I did both sides as well to ensure privacy. So when you're cutting the privacy film, something that helps is you have at least 2 factory cut edges that will be perfect. So then the other 2 sides that you're cutting, make sure that you have at least overhang on those 2 other sides of maybe a quarter of an inch, because that's the side that you will be trimming off. You will generously spray the film with solution and then squeegee the solution off of the film as well as the air bubbles that are underneath. So here we have one side of the door finished with the frosted window film, and now I'm going to complete the other side with the waterfall window film. Again, you want to wet the glass with the solution, and sometimes you have to readjust the film on the glass. Repeat the process to squeegee and trim off the edges. The window film application solution also has a trim toolkit included with the squeegee. I personally like to use the squeegee to guide the trim tool to make sure I get a perfect cut. So this is the finished product. This is the one side of the door that is frosted, and this is the other side of the door that has the waterfall film, giving the privacy level that I want, but still allowing light to come into the room. So here's the finished product on my hall bathroom door. On both sides, I installed the etched glass to allow light, but still level privacy that I need. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and on to the next adventure.